Norpro Deluxe Stainless Steel Turkey Baster with Injector and Cleaning Brush. Measures 11x2x2 28 cm x 5 cm x 5 cm and has a capacity of 1.5 ounces 45 milliliters. Prior to baking or grilling, attach the needle included to inject and infuse flavorful juices into your roasts and cuts of meat. The secret to beautiful and flavorful roasts and grilling meats, served moist and golden brown, is basting. This tool creates powerful suction. Squeeze the bulb head, place tip of baster into the succulent juices in the pan, melted butter, a marinade or homemade sauce, release bulb head to draw up the sauce, and pour out over your meat. Repeat every half hour, or when grilling every 15 minutes. Silicone bulb heat resistant to 450 U acute F230 UC. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.